Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show guys Facebook setting. Today video title is guys how to add a story on Facebook. Friends, you want to add any story on your Facebook account. So friends, now let's see how to add a story on Facebook one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So without waste time friends, first of all we will turn on Facebook application in mobile. After turn on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So means on your Facebook friends, you want to add any story, tap here story option. First of all, select any photo, which photo and video you want to add on your story. You want to add any video, so if you want to add any video, so select your video, and you want to add any photo, so you can select your photo. First of all, decide you want to add video and you want to add photo. So means I want to add photo, so means I will select my ring light photo. After select friends photo, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. First of all, friends, click here music option. You can select music for your story. After select music friends, you can save on your story. And friends, you want to search any music, so you can search music also. After select music, you want to add any tags on your photo, on your story, so you can add. You want to add any emojis, so you can add emojis also. Done option, set your emojis. Okay friends, sticker, you want to add any sticker. Friends, you can see location you want to set, timing you want to set, so you can set timing. You want to tag here, so you can tag here. Music you want to select, tap here, you can select music also. Okay friends, so this emojis I will use. Second last option friends, you want to edit here, you want to mark here, so you can mark and you can enter here. Done. Share now option, your story will add on your Facebook account, and friends you can check. After setup, share option, and you want to save, so you can save also. Share option, processing, we will wait. After 4 and 5 seconds friends, you can see uploading photos. Your story will add on your Facebook account and you can check your story. Friends, you can see your story was shared. If you tap here, so you can check your story. And you can check your user. As people view your story, you will see detail here. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.